a little while back. I think I made a little video on, I did one on the router and I did one on matrix. And I was planning to do something on the Inmulti. Well, it didn't happen because of, I don't know. I thought, okay, let's have a look. Well, obviously InA has more possibilities for incoming control of audio. You can read it in the info sheet. So you can link it. There's a gain watch. There's a threshold. You're free to select whatever you want from various inputs. Whereas if you look at the Inmulti, what I thought was strange was, yeah, I remember I thought, well, the Inmulti you can use as a, well, multiplier. Actually, I want to use it as a multiplier and say that, okay, you can choose input. When you choose input 1, for instance, then this is 2 coming in, so it's 1, yeah. So I put input 1 there. There's something weird about 1, no? I don't understand what's happening. 1, 1, 1. So if I capture 1 goes to 1 and 2. But if I just choose, wait, yeah, the basic setup. This one goes to 1 as well. Because it's just mono. It's my voice. And then I thought, okay, you have one input source. And by the looks of it, you could tell the Inmulti to be on input 1, I don't know, 16 times, doesn't matter. But then it turned out that that didn't work. If I route, like you've seen me do now, just to capture 1, 2, if I put that on 2, then it shows here. You can see there's my input coming in there. I'll make it a little louder so it's clearer. But this is, he does that because of the, when I put it to, let's say, capture 1, 2, 3, then what happens here? There's input 3 coming in here. If I change that to input 1, yeah, you see, it's something on top of this. This routing comes on top of what you actually route through, let's say, jack, and coming from the system here, going into mux. So this is the actual routing done here, and what I want to do is simply within the Inmulti multiply it, but it doesn't work because when I switch off these, then I only end up with input 1, and no matter what I do here, this input 1 is nope. Well, another thing is also, I thought, well, maybe you can use the Inmulti for feedback effects, but nope. If I want to route it here, then it doesn't give me an option to route it, let's say, back into this channel or that. Alas. So I thought that was a bit disappointing, but I already decided that working with matrix or which was the other one, was way more satisfying. And also, I really don't know what the big advantage is if you do not have some architecture like Jack Pilot here. Then if I just have this one, capture one going into one here. But you know, you can. I hope you can see the why I thought, because every input here, you have a choice option, and that's why. So I shall do. There's an input one there, and it just doesn't show up. So that's a bit of empty shell. I understand that in the latest version of Loop has doesn't have the InA anymore. Someone asked me about it, and I also asked it on the list, on the Loop Ppooll list, because yeah, I downloaded the latest version, then I saw indeed I only saw the Inmulti, and what I see is a lot of complaints about people not really happy with the way you have to route these, or yeah. And I also asked why the InA1 was gone. It's like, I mean, it's really nice, really good tool. I use it all the time, every time. It's a really flexible tool and with more possibilities. So they never answered me. So well, I'm not going to the latest version then. Also, not because I'm just not ready. So there you have it. Or any thoughts on the Inmulti, etc.? It would be nice if you got any hints or suggestions here. No rem, can rem on rem both. Okay. That's basically it, really. Menger. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Can we route back into the Inmulti? No, he says no. Why not, man? Why are you there? I don't know. Maybe they improved it in the latest version of Ppooll. Let me know if you have any good thoughts about this. I mean, it's fair to say that also the routing back to an InA is also not possible. So feedback loops are a bit hard to achieve like this. We could try something. Suppose I use the host 4 and the host 5 as output. And then I'd say 4 goes to like 6, 5 goes to 7. Then I'll say to the Inmulti 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6, 7, right? Yeah. catch anything. We do catch something, so there you have it. Input 7. Now what? Let's take it to the Mongo back. I'll teach him. Hang on. Left in, right in. No? Yeah. There she is. Finally, some feedback. Where have you been? Okay. So directly it's hard to get a feedback loop, I think. Maybe I overlooked something, let me know. But outside, through the connections manager of the jack router, jack pilot, then you can. Obviously. But it's too bad I cannot straight feedback it into the Inmulti.